I'm back. Road Rants on DC. Today, something different. Let's take a look at a teaser of a teaser for DC's new Birds of Prey. And of course, what we're looking for is Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn and Ewan McGregor as Black Mask. Let's do it now. Okay, so 20 seconds of Margot Robbie looking less like Harley Quinn than she did in Suicide Squad. For the record, I'm one of the 5 people on the planet that liked Suicide Squad. And I was looking forward to this, but I think I saw a glimpse of Ewan McGregor in this character teaser of a teaser of a teaser. Anyway, you tell me what you think in the comments, Road Squadron. Peace, I'm out. Till next time.